Hi everyone, my name is Joy. Welcome to my makeup tutorial class, and I'm just gonna run a short eyebrow makeup tutorial today. Make sure you follow me on my Facebook, Instagram and YouTube channel at Joy Oini. Thank you very much. I'm getting started right away. So first you need to have your eyebrow brush, something like this. There are different kind of brushes, basically your eyebrow pencil, depending on the shade you like, the color and stuff. Make sure you're having your concealer palette, and next is your concealer brush, and of course your blending brush, and that's it. That's all you need for this eyebrow tutorial. So first I'm starting from my right eyebrow. You're going to want to start from this the down part first, like this angle. Okay, you see. So like I said, the second one, just trace it. So you see, make sure you bring it down while you're doing it to like clean out the fine lines. I'm going towards the other end to do the same. Don't forget, from this angle towards the end. And bring it out. One thing about makeup, basically, makeup is an art. Do it the way it suits you, and that's it. No style. Like, be flexible with what you're doing. It's an art. Draw your art the way you like it, the way that suits your face. That's all. This shade we're using in this angle is the one we're going to be using up. It all depends if you like concealing your upper brows. So if you don't like it, of course you can go ahead to start off your makeup. I'm not doing a full makeup today, it's just an eyebrow tutorial. Of course, this is not like a professional class, it's just showing you get how to run your day-to-day eyebrow. So when you want to go into the professional class, it's, of course, there will be steps, strategies, blah blah blah, how to do, what to do, what not to do. But like I said, all those what do's and don'ts all depends on how you want to look. It's you that determine what you want your face to look like. Nobody has to tell you that, as long as it suits your face and you like it. So why not? But of course, don't come and do something that will be looking scary on your face and chasing people away. So yeah, as you're done, just like use your brush. If you have your blending brush, you can use it to blend it out. If you don't have, you can use same concealer brush to blend it out. So I have the blending brush, so I'm going to use it, and yeah, and we're done. Very simple. So you'd want to, like, you know, blend it. So the last thing I'm going to do now is just to take out my same brush, eyebrow brush, blend out the hairs, and we're good to go. We're good to go. I just want to add a little tail to this one. And can you see? Do you like it? It's very simple. There's no too much drama for eyebrow. Just do it the way you like it. Do your makeup and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Till I come your way next time, I'm enjoying. Bye.